Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Which of the following are active elements? If P is the power of a star-connected system, then what will be the power of delta-connected system? Magnetic flux has the unit of? The voltage induced in an inductor is represented as? Answer: product of its inductance and rate of change of current through it. Instantaneous power in the inductor is proportional to the How many coulombs of charge flow through a circuit carrying a current of 10 A in 1 minute? The resistance of a conductor of diameter d and length L is R omega. If the diameter of the conductor is halved and its length is doubled, the resistance will be. The resistivity of the conductor depends upon the Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.